Yeah, we just got here. It's like right there in the store. Yeah, so we ended up having to go to this place right here. That one done. That's actually one of the best works I've done. These are very old and they are kind of falling apart, but not falling apart. So the heat might mess it up. Promo sample. You should take Yo, we back with another video and we have a ship out. It's actually already on the table, so let's go over here. We have a ship out on these Jordan 8 samples. Let me show y'all the tag real quick. Yeah, see, promo sample. But let me get y'all on the tripod and we can get this started. Okay, so these are the Air Jordan 8 P-Pods, I believe. These are the sample pair. Obviously they do have cracks in them. Yeah, they do have cracks in them, so it is what it is. I had them listed for $350, but I've been sitting on them for a while, and I was not trying to sit on them for any longer, so I sold them for $150. Thumbnail right there. But yeah, these are fire. It's a size 14. It's really not in that bad of shape for the age of the shoe. But there's not much we have to do with this. We just gotta go get it wrapped, and we already have the label. So let's go ahead and go get this wrapped up. We're gonna go back for the plastic wrap. All right, so now let me go ahead and grab this plastic wrap. Hopefully this shoe fits it, cause it's a huge shoe. Let's see. Got the two. First step, we gotta plug this in. Let that heat up. While it's having it, we're gonna sprinkle this up. Hopefully it fits over the whole shoe. We're gonna see here in a second. Yeah, so it ended up fitting, so we're just gonna do seal here, here, and then right there. And then we're gonna go in with the hair dryer outside. So we're gonna do both of them and we'll catch y'all in a second. Yeah, so we get left with this, you know, and now we're gonna do that shoe and we're gonna go outside. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take these back outside. Let me get y'all back on the tripod so we can do this. Okay, so this is the issue. These are very old and they are kind of falling apart, but not falling apart. So the heat might mess it up. So I gotta be real careful. But plastic wrapping it will definitely save this shoe for sure. So let's see how this goes. I'm scared to put any heat on it. I'm just gonna take it part by part. I don't care how long this takes. I don't know how, but I figured out if I put my hand on the back of it like that, it actually forms quicker. It's an instant see. I got it on it and watch it. Just gonna take my time with it once again. And the cool part, it's like the air's coming out like cold. So that's a big plus because I did not want to put no heat on this. I'm gonna turn it up on the bottom because it's just the bottom. I don't think anything's gonna happen to it. Yeah, so we got that one done. That's actually one of the best works I've done, just because I did it very carefully. So we're just gonna do the same thing on this one. Make sure I cut down the heat. See, it doesn't do anything. I had it going just in the same spot. Watch, I'm gonna turn it back on and just put my hand behind it and watch what happens. Yeah, that will have to do on those. We got that done, so let's find a box for it to come in. I don't even think it matters the size of the box because eBay is paying for the label. So we got this one. This one definitely. Hopefully I got stuff too. Make sure it doesn't move around a lot. Stuff on the side. I do not have any bubble wrap. Alright, last one right here. Boom, boom. We're gonna put the tape on the top. We already have the label, so we can stick the label now. Boom. And so now we're already off to the Walmart, really, because that's where the FedEx is. Yeah. Get that there. Yep. Yeah, and we're off.
Yeah, I been getting money, yeah, I blow on my own. No, I don't need nobody. Whoa, when I pull up glow, no, I don't see nobody. Forward trapping, that's what I won't be nobody.
Yeah, we just got here. It's like right there in the store. I don't know if I'm bringing you in because we got 10 minutes to make it there. Yeah, but that will be it on the video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more, like it, subscribe to the channel. But other than that, we are out. Yeah, so we ended up having to go to this place right here because Walmart was closed, I guess. I don't know how they were closed, so we had to go to this spot right here. So they didn't give me a receipt, so good thing I'm recording, because if I don't get the package, I know what happened.